In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to clone a Webflow website. Cloning a site in Webflow is a straightforward process that can be incredibly useful when you want to create a duplicate of a project for testing, redesign, or simply to use it as a template for another project. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to webflow.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your Webflow dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all your Webflow projects. Take a moment to find the specific site you want to clone. This list will display all the projects you've worked on, making it easy to locate the one you're interested in duplicating. After identifying the site you want to clone, you'll notice a series of three dots next to the project name. These dots are essentially a menu for additional options related to that specific project. Go ahead and click on these three dots. This will open up a small drop-down menu with various options that you can perform on your project. In this drop-down menu, you should see an option labeled Duplicate. By clicking on Duplicate, Webflow will initiate the process of creating an exact copy of your website. This includes all the styles, pages, and content associated with the original project. It's quite a handy feature, especially if you're looking to make significant changes without affecting the original site, or if you simply want to use the existing design as a starting point for a new project. Once you click Duplicate, Webflow will start creating a cloned version of your site. This process might take a few moments depending on the size and complexity of your website. You'll be able to see the progress, and once it's completed, the new duplicate will appear in your dashboard list right alongside your other projects. It will typically have a name similar to the original, but with a slight variation, like adding the word copy to help you distinguish between the original and the clone. Now you can click on the newly created clone to open it in the Webflow Designer. From here, you can make any changes or modifications you desire without worrying about altering your original site. This cloned version is fully independent, so you have the freedom to experiment, redesign, or even repurpose it for completely different projects. To wrap things up, cloning a Webflow website is a simple yet powerful tool at your disposal. It allows you to efficiently manage your projects and explore creative possibilities without risking your original work. Whether you need to test out new ideas or streamline your workflow by using existing designs as templates, this feature is sure to enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to check out more of our guides for tips and tricks on optimizing your Webflow projects. Happy designing!